Hi, and welcome to a new week. So, before the week gets very busy, I just want to quickly share this with us. I know a lot of persons might have been wondering how this is done, so you're going to learn how to do this. First, we are going to be creating an Instagram grid using Canva. So open your Canva app and tap on the plus sign. Then you tap on customize size. Once it opens, you are going to type in the width bar 3240 and in the height bar 3240 also. That is the first option you are seeing because I just did it not too long ago. So once it opens, you click on gallery because we are creating a grid with image, okay? You tap on the gallery and then you select the photo you want to split and form a grid with. So you go ahead and make your adjustment. And because I am creating this puzzle or this grid, I am not going to make the image fill up the whole space in the canvas. So I'll just leave out the space at the top and at the bottom. So the next app we'll be using is called Nine Square. This is for Android users. For iPhone users, please, you can see caption for the recommended app. Okay, so you tap on the gallery icon in the Nine Square. When it opens, you look for the file you just downloaded from Canva, you tap on it, and it launches on your Nine Grid platform. So here by default, it's already 3 by 1. If you can see at the top, 3 times 1. So this is just going to give you more like the headshot, but I want it to be 3 by 2. That is giving me 6 images, more like 2 lines of your Instagram page. Okay, so you adjust to fit in the image properly, and when you are cropping, ensure that the grid lines does not affect any part of the body that maybe when it joins together afterwards, it will have so much gap. Just make your adjustment in a way that when you finish forming your grid, these are the grid lines, they should not be blocking any essential part of the image you are trying to crop. Okay, so this is okay for me. It is not cutting across the eye, it's not cutting across the nose, everything is fine. So once you're done, you go ahead and click crop at the top. If you look at the top of your screen, you will see crop. When it crops, you're going to have your image numbered from 1 to 6, and in uploading, you are going to upload according to the numbers. If you upload 6 to 1, you'll get it wrong. So you have to upload 1 to 6. So I'll just go ahead now and upload the images. You can upload to your reels, to your feed, whichever format or whichever way you want to upload. So go ahead and upload your picture. So by the time you're done uploading all 6 pictures, your page should be looking like this. And from now, you can start your page arrangement. It's not easy, but you have to try. So if you find this helpful, do well to like. You can share for others who have been looking for a way to do this. Bye.